everybody, I'm Christy and this is Created by Christy. I've got my sidekick Cannon here helping me again today. What we're going to be doing is some fun photo ornaments. I love to have a couple of pictures from each year on my tree, so I do different things to have those. What we're going to do today is I found some heart-shaped wood. I think I got it in a package. It was a Valentine's package. So I've got two of those hearts. Got some pictures that we found that are going to fit nicely onto the hearts. All right, Stevie Wonder, let's be still. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and place the heart over the part of the picture that we want. We're going to trace it around and cut it out. So that is step one. After we get that done, we're going to glue it together, put a ribbon on the back, and then it'll be ready to hang on your tree. Okay, so now the glue is all dried. So what we have here, you can see, woo, I hate this. So you can see like it's got the kind of glossy finish on it. And they're ready to go. So basically what I've done is just taken a little bit of ribbon. What's that, about 5 inches? And then I'm going to glue it onto the back of the space so that it can hang from the tree if you're using it as an ornament. If you were wanting to use it as a magnet for your fridge, this is where you would put a magnet on instead. It's up to you what you choose to do. Oops, there goes my glue. Here we go. Just a side note, never buy the cheap glue guns. My goodness, this thing is driving me bananas. Never been around a glue gun that worked so poorly. So I'm gonna definitely have to upgrade on that one. Alrighty. And then you can kind of see where I flipped it on the back so that both of my back sides look the same, and then on the front both of the finished ribbon looks the same. So that one is all ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. Like I said, I used a fun pink polka dotted ribbon. You can use a Christmas one, you can use magnets, whatever. Like I said, I wanted something that was cute but didn't necessarily scream Christmas. So, and if you have, if the backing that you're using has a pre-drilled hole, then of course you would skip this step because you wouldn't need it because it's already got that for you. But again, this is how I'm finishing these out. And you just want to use an object to push it down a little bit so that all that glue gets on there good, but don't use your finger because you don't want to burn yourself. And so there you have it. I got two super fun ornaments ready for my tree for when Christmas rolls around. Again, I'm Christy. This is Created by Christy. Like us and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.